Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. We are looking today. We're going to start working on a boat I've had for 10 years. Had this boat for 10 years and just now I'm able to start working on it. So, oh shit, I might need to do something like that. Yeah, just started working on the boat here. Oh, I think there's actually a mic there. Okay. Yeah, just started working on the boat. Just got it to the house a couple weeks ago. It's still kind of cold out, so we're gonna get to work on it. Here's the boat. It's a '79 Skeeter bass boat. All right, and it's got a 135 horsepower Johnson on it. And I'm gonna set up the time lapse I gotta get. Today we're just gonna be removing all the old doors and chairs and see what she looks like underneath. I did a little bit of waxing just to see if I could buff out some of the oxidation. Oh, it looks like my cat already walked on it. But it looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. My cat's been all over it. Little thing. All right, so it's pretty dirty down in there, as you can see. But like I said, I'm gonna set up the time lapse. It's a Seahorse V4, 135 horsepower Johnson. It's a 1976 motor. Let me take the top off of here. And we'll be doing some work on this. Mainly what I gotta do on it is just check it out. Last time I checked on it, it was running. Got a little water down in there. But it is an older motor, so we got a few things to do on it. Mainly, I had a lady working on it, and I think she cleaned out these carbs, and she had it running with carb spray. She owns a local boat shop. Her parents owned a local boat shop at the time. She probably owns it now. But yeah, she cleaned out these carbs for me, and she could spray some carb in there, some carb spray in there, and it'd get started. So what I got to do next on it is change out that filter and hook it up with some gasoline, see if she'll go. There's a couple of lines that are unhooked and stuff. Some things that I'm not really sure go to what. But okay, well, that goes to that. I don't know what this goes to. I feel like there's a third thing. Yeah, see this? I figure when somebody's working on it, they tried taking that hose off. That goes onto the bottom of that fuel filter. You see? And this hose goes right to the gas line there. See, that's the gas line hose. Hooks up into there. You gotta have your Johnson connector. You'll connect that. I'm leaving all that hooked up for now because I'll be spraying some water in here. And I don't want anything getting where it shouldn't be. But anyway, I'm gonna set up the camera now, do some time lapse, get this baby uncovered. It's filled with water right now because I had to cover it up when I got it over here. Okay, but yeah, we'll get this thing filled up, or unfilled. Get all these old stuff, old doors and everything out of here. And the chair, and then I'll clean her up. And then next comes this, then that, and this is just gonna be a get her out on the water type of thing. This is not a full rebuild. Okay, so we're just gonna be getting them out on the water and trying to have a good time. It's gonna be 2 months. I'm gonna try to get this done by April. About middle of April, beginning of April, somewhere in there. So here we go. That's my pickup truck there. It's got a V8 5.3. You guys don't care about that though. Care about this boat. Look at that. This is gonna be a nice boat. This right here, I didn't get all the oxidation out of that corner area because well, it's not bad though. It's pretty good actually. I mean, look how it looks up here. It's all like rough and oh man, yeah, we're gonna have to buff and wax all that out, clean her right up. All right, I'll be back. Woo! Okay, guys, it wasn't a lot of work, but it was. Like, there was some of those screws there were pretty held into the nut, and it was kind of hard to get to because, I don't know, the wall here is really weird. But anyway, this is the boat uncovered. Like I said, this is where I waxed it the other day. Looks pretty nice. So I figured the rest of the boat turned out pretty good there. See that? You can see where it's oxidized. There's no shining at all the way around the boat. But you can tell that there's some pretty good spots in here that are nice and shiny still, that just haven't ever been hit by the sun. So, and I don't think anyone's ever wet sanded and polished this ever. It almost looks like somebody did a little bit of crappy work here, you know. We could probably fix that up, make it nice and smooth, throw something on there. But it's not too bad at the same time. But up here, see, 10 years ago, I took it for a ride, and it slipped off the back of my truck going about 35 down Commerce, you know me. Yeah. And then did that little crack. I gotta fix it up. Looks like it's pushed that piece back in and all the way up through there. But it's not too bad. Not anything I can't fix. I'm gonna have to repolish all this. I got the trolling motor off. This is an old trolling motor. Ain't worth a shit. And I cut these screws off because I didn't know you could go inside. If anybody's got one of these bass boats, there's little pockets here so you can get in there, do some wiring, all that crap. I did not know that until I already cut these two. Couldn't cut those two, which is pretty good that I couldn't, because I'd end up with these like this. But I don't think I could have got these out anyway because they were a flathead and it just wasn't gripping. Even it wasn't even turning like those were. So yeah, this is her, my green metal flake Skeeter 79 model. We got us a live well. We got our doors off. I pulled this carpet off a long time ago, and we got our live well there. Wait, I don't even know if that's a live well. That might not be a live well. I know that back there is a live well. This is for your poles. Still got some carpet in it. It's not too bad. I'll probably just keep that in there and then just put another on the side here, because this ain't really too bad. I might cut it out though, just so it will match, because I'm gonna get new carpet for all of it. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty dirty still. I gotta go in with the vacuum cleaner. Still got all that stuff over there on it. And it's still got this original sticker on it. I'm pretty sure that's original. And I figure if it's still got that on it, that means nobody's wet sanded that gel coat at all. So, still got our steering wheel. You know, it's gonna be a pretty nice little boat once I get it all fixed up. I got all these other doors off a long time ago, and they're in storage at a place that I got. And like here, where all the doors were already off, those are over in storage. I gotta run and get them. I'm gonna recarpet them. And yeah, you know, it's gonna be pretty good. Got my cleats, and I don't really know what these are for. If anybody knows what this thing is, I mean, I figure it's something, but I really don't know too much about boats or anything. So, you know, if anybody could comment and tell me what that is there. I don't know what that is. I don't really know what this is or what it's for. It's a big ass hole, what it looks like. And Then I got all this wires down here. I've done some research on the live tank here. See, this is my live tank filled with leaves. It's the dead tank right now. And then that hose has seemed to have broken pretty badly there. But I think I have some of that. It looks like 2.5, 3-inch reinforced hose. I think I have some black stuff that's like this. It's got like a wire in there, you know, and it's just real strong hose. It's just gotten brittle and gone to shit. Gone to waste. Looks like somebody tried pulling my second gas tank out here. This one, sorry. This one seems like it's pretty in there, good and intact and everything. But, oh shit. But it's this one over here is kind of, you see how it's pulled out away from it? Kind of pulled out away from it. And it looks like somebody tried to pull it out of there. I might have tried to pull it out of there. I can't remember. You know, I don't know what's under there. I don't know what any of those wires go to. I figure some of them go to the engine. And I figure some of them go to the transom and to everything else. Or not the transom, sorry, the trolling motor. I couldn't get that, see here, this is where the seat is here. And there's a metal plate, goes all along there. And I couldn't get that one out up there. Could not get that metal plate out to save my life. The dang screws just stripped on it, so I'll probably have to cut them out of there. Won't be a big deal, hopefully. And if not, I'll just leave it seatless for now. Because like I said, we're just trying to get it on the water by April. So this will probably be the end of the first video. I got everything tore down. The next video, I'll probably have me cleaning it up and washing it, and then doing the wet sanding and everything. Probably push it through the car wash there. But we'll see y'all next time.